This video I'm going to show you how to repair or to reset the system if not allowed to override in the logic. Okay, because the problem of this one before, even you override, the system don't accept it. It means even you override in this logic, it will not accept. It's not responding. So what you are going to do, okay, click the force here, this forcing, then force editor. Okay, so force editor, then again you click forcing, then start global forcing. After start global forcing, you click okay. Okay, that's it. So that's how to repair if there is any problem when forcing any switches that don't accept in the logic. Okay, so it means now you can override now any kind of switch, either override or switch itself. Okay guys, so that's how to remove the problem for this overriding. Okay, thank you very much for watching.